Windows 11 just came out, but some of you might have to wait months for the upgrade. That's because Microsoft is rolling them out in phases. Hey everybody, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 now, so you don't have to wait for the upgrade. Okay, before we get started, just want to let you know that this upgrade is completely at your own risk, and make sure to back up all your files before you get started. And just to show you right here in the Windows Update screen, I do not have the update yet, but it does tell me that I can run Windows 11, but you can just see I don't have the update yet. So just head over to this website, www.microsoft.com/en-us/software-download/Windows 11. It should take you over here where you can download. And if you want to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, go with the first option, Windows 11 Installation Assistant. If you want to create Windows 11 installation media, go with this second option. But we want to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, so I'm going to go with this first option. Make sure you click here and read all this information before you begin. And then when you're ready, just click Download Now to download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So I'm just going to click Download. You can see it's downloading right here. And once it's downloaded, just click Open File. If you're using Chrome, it should appear at the bottom of your screen. When the user account control pops up, just click Yes, and then it should bring you here to the Install Windows 11 screen. And here we have all the software license terms, so just read all this. After that, you can click Accept and Install, and that will download and install Windows 11. And then once it's completed, you'll have 30 minutes to save all your work before it automatically restarts, or you can just restart manually. Don't forget to back up all your important files. All your files should move over to Windows 11, but in case it doesn't, you will have that backup. Alright, I'm just going to click Accept and Install. And there we go. It is downloading, and then it's going to install. We have 3 steps right here. This is going to take a little while, so I will see you once it's done installing. So I just finished downloading and installing Windows 11. As you can see, I have 30 minutes to save my work if I need to. Alright, so when you're ready, just click Restart Now. While it's restarting, I am not able to record my screen, so I'm just going to let you know what's going to happen. When you click Restart, it's going to restart your computer, then it's going to install Windows 11. After that, it's going to install updates. While it's updating, your computer will restart several times, so don't be alarmed. Once all the updates are installed, it will bring you to the Windows 11 lock screen. Just enter your PIN or password, the exact same one as Windows 10. After that, it will finish setting up Windows 11, and then it will bring you into Windows 11. So when you're ready, just click Restart Now. Once again, make sure you back up all your important files just in case something happens. Alright, I'll see you in Windows 11. Alright, so here I am in Windows 11, and all my files are here as well, which is nice. And if for any reason you want to revert back to Windows 10, just go to Start, go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, then on the bottom, Recovery, and then you can click Go Back. But you have to do it within a 10-day period if you want your files to also go back. So that's how you upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 without having to wait for the upgrade. So if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.